next question on the board says, question about this week's parsha. When Yaakov met Rachel the first time, he kissed her, even if she was very young, and he knew she is his destined wife. As it still seems to be immodest. I wonder, was it proper for him to do so?
I mean, if he was Yaakov Avinu, that's what he did. That was modest. Yeah, she was very young, but he was very emotional because he fell in love and he with her, and he saw in his Ruach HaKodesh that she's going to die very young. So that is from this emotion, so he kissed her. That's what it is. But I think he kissed her on the head or something. So it's not not even change on the head. So it's as like a kiss to children, right? On the forehead or something.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So, but for us, don't try it at home. For Yaakov, yes. For us, we stay away.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.